The Snow Queen waved her wand, and suddenly the whole forest lit up with sparkling lights. Hi, I'm Kayla. Guess what? I became the hero of my own story. My mom made my book on Excelsiorify.com. Now I'm on the adventure. Want to make your child the hero of their own story?
Head over to Excelsiorify.com to create a magical, personalized AI storybook. Scroll through our collection of magical tales. For this one, let's personalize Lily and the Magic Pencil. Tell us who the book is for. We'll put in Angel, age 7. You can even add a sweet, custom dedication that will print right on the back cover. Privacy is our priority, so we just need a quick parental consent to use the photo. Check the box and hit continue. Next, upload a clear, front-facing photo straight from your camera roll. Now watch the magic happen. Our AI creates a custom character based on your photo. Swipe through the sneak peek to see your little ones star in their very own adventure. When you're ready, tap Continue to checkout. Review your order summary. Choose your book format and drop in your email.
Just check the agreement boxes and tap Place Order. From here, you're on our secure Shopify checkout. Enter your shipping details, complete your payment, and your one-of-a-kind storybook will be shipped right to your door.
Go make yours now. I'll see you in the Excelsiorify Story Collection. Bye!